Hey guys, today I'm bringing you a recipe using one of my all-time favorite flavor combination, that is chocolate orange. These eggless chocolate orange cupcakes are just delicious. So to know how to make these, watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel. For this recipe, we will need half cup of orange juice. Make sure to use freshly squeezed orange juice because that will make a lot of difference to the flavor of your cupcakes. To this, add half cup of granulated white sugar. Give it a good mix and keep it. Till then, let's serve our dry ingredients. For this, you will take 3/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/6 cup of cocoa powder, that is half of 1/3 cup, 1/4 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon baking soda. Sieve your ingredients properly and make sure sieving your dry ingredients is a very vital step, so never forget it. Now give it a good mix and make sure all the ingredients are properly combined. Now to your orange juice and sugar mix, add 1/4 cup of oil. You can use any flavorless oil and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Now add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Always do this process in batches. Here I have done this in 2 batches. Now after adding the first half of dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, give it a good whisk. Whisk slowly. Make sure to not over whisk the batter. Now add the rest of the dry ingredients and give it a good whisk. Whisk slowly till it's combined. After it's combined, you will find a very nice glossy cake batter. Now to this cake batter, add orange zest. You will need to zest out 1 orange. Always make sure never to zest the white part of the orange as it will make the flavor bitter. Now take a cupcake. This recipe will give you 6 cupcakes. So divide your batter equally into the 6 cupcake molds. Fill it till it's 3/4 full, that is up to 75% of its capacity. Do not overfill it because then your batter will overflow in the oven. Now we will need to bake. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes or till your skewer comes out clean. Now we will make the frosting, that is chocolate orange ganache. Trust me, this ganache is very delicious. Now for that you will need 100 grams of dark chocolate. You can use any percentage of dark chocolate that you like. Chop it into really small cubes, which makes it very easy. Now in a saucepan, take 50 ml of heavy whipping cream. Make sure to use whipping cream. To this, add zest of 1 orange. Again, make sure not to zest out the white part of the orange peel or that will make your ganache bitter. Heat up the cream. Make sure to not boil it but just heat it up. Now sieve the hot cream over your chocolate. To this, add 10 grams of butter and let it sit for a minute. Allow the chocolate to be melted by the hot cream. After that, give it a mix and make sure all the chocolate has melted properly. If not, you can microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds or melt it over a double boiler. You will have a nice, glossy, shiny chocolate ganache. Let it sit for 1 hour at room temperature. After an hour, you will find a thick chocolate ganache which will be of pipeable consistency. Transfer this ganache to a piping bag using a nozzle. These cupcakes have been cooling down for an hour. Look at them, they're just perfect and nice. It will be very easy to pipe over them as they don't have a dome or neither are they flat. Now you can pipe the ganache over the cupcake in any shape you want. It is all dependent on you. If your chocolate ganache thickens or hardens while you're piping it, just decorate these with small orange wedges to complete the look. Now if you end up making this delicious recipe, which I'm sure you will, let me know by commenting down below, liking the video and posting on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.